A time-tested winner is back, and better than ever. It's the Louisville Slugger TPS Catalyst, now with LS2X composite technology and Swing One inner disc technology. LS2X composite technology allows us to reduce wall thickness for increased performance without sacrificing durability. The thinner fibers enable us to incorporate more layers in the barrel. To further maximize barrel performance, our engineers have developed Swing One inner disc technology. Inner disc technology features two discs positioned inside the barrel at the sweet spot. These discs let the barrel flex right up to the performance limit. The discs are precisely positioned to give you a huge sweet spot that not only feels better, but also performs better over a larger area of the barrel. Better still, Swing One inner disc technology totally eliminates frustrating break-in periods. Swing the championship-proven Catalyst from Louisville Slugger TPS.